Tushar. I wish you a very happy birthday. And this is a special request from yourself. मुझे पता नहीं कि we've celebrated any birthdays together which I can remember of, but I'm sure this must be a special one. And I wanted to send this video message to show you how important of a person, a friend you are. And I hope you celebrate this birthday with a blast while I'm going and seeing patients on a weekend. And yeah, as you can see, the weather outside looks quite nice. Unfortunately, I chose to become a doctor in that. Anyways, tell me what you're doing for your birthday and let's have a video call if you have time. Bye, take care.
हाय भाई, क्या हाल है? हैप्पी बर्थडे. ओह माय गॉड, दिस इज अ न्यू वीडियो बनानी. चलो कोई नहीं, सोचना पड़ेगा तेरे बारे में. ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं बोलने के लिए. कब मिले थे हम? 2010 में कॉलेज में. 15 साल हो गए. तो इट्स बीन अ फन राइड आई गेस टुगेदर, फ्रॉम lift buddies to college buddies to work buddies to I don't know दारू buddies and what not. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें करी हैं साथ में हमने. बाकी हैव एन अमेजिंग बर्थडे ब्रो. एंड अगर कुछ पार्टी वार्टी का सीन हो तो बताइयो, चिल करेंगे साथ में. कूल मैन, हैव एन अमेजिंग वन. चीयर्स.
Hi Tushar, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. It's been long since we last met. Well, the most amazing person, the most responsible one, the captain, leader, legend, and I have enjoyed all the time when you was wearing that band in your hand, and I literally had, pretty less pressure or responsibilities when you was around. I don't have much to say because I cannot express my all feelings in words at all for you and Neha both. So I share a bond which is just very different with few members, and you are ahead of them. You are the first one and you are the last one rather, because for me storm starts with you and it ends with you. Since we stop sharing pitch together, from technical area to inside the field, I just stopped enjoying football. Not coaching anymore any other team apart from ours only. But I'm not coaching any other team, those who are in any amateur or Delhi or any league. And you hold a special place in my heart, and you will always be. God bless you. Enjoy your day, and I always want to see you fit, flexible, and very happy. God bless you once again. Wish you a very happy birthday, darling. God bless. Bye bye, and enjoy your day. Very party due hai, and I hope we'll meet soon. Take care.
I can't. I've done like too many takes, so I'm not going to undo that. But my point being that you've been my pillar of support, and there is nothing that I want more than to see you happy, cherishing, and thriving in life. And there are some people who you just wish for from the bottom of your heart to have everything and all the happiness in the world, and you are that person to me. I think nothing is ever going to replace the memories I have with you. You making me eat chilled yippee noodles, like you remember you used to cook it and you used to freeze it and give it to me. And you've, I don't know if you were lying or not, but I do remember you were telling me that you pinned a pack of condoms onto me when your mom asked कि किसके हैं, which is absolutely, I mean, it's disgusting for you to do that to a girl. But I don't know if you were lying or not, but yeah, that was terrible if you did that to me. Yeah, and our stayovers and me cleaning your vomit before your wedding, and we dancing together and no one is joining us. You remember we've had so many moments of just sheer laughter and just, you know, times where we've just been so happy with each other. So yeah, I'm not going to overstretch this. It's already 2 minutes, so I hope Neha can use this video and cut it to whatever extent she needs it. But I'm sending you so much love. I'm sending you all my prayers and wishes, and I hope you have a beautiful birthday and a very, very, very fulfilling, long, happy life with your loved ones, including me. Love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे वालिया। आधी ज़िंदगी बीत गई दोस्ती में हमारी, और स्टिल अभी भी रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। जब भी हम बात करें घंटों घंटों इतनी बातें होती है, मस्ती बकचोदी चलती रहती है। आई लाइक दिस अबाउट अस। सही है, मिलते हैं जल्दी। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi Tushar.
Hi Tushar, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless you, bhai. Another year, a few more useless signings by United, but we'll root for you always throughout life. Happy birthday.
Have a good day ahead, and we should meet you and Neha very soon. Take care. Lots of love. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे तुषु बेटा, कैसे हो? गॉड ब्लेस यू, ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी।
Hello मेरे भाई, happy birthday. I wish you an amazing 33rd year of your life.
Oh, so young.
Enjoy your day, keep dancing, playing football, enjoying your life with Neha, and hopefully the 33rd year is the year when we see each other. Fingers crossed.
Alison Gabusta.
Hi, happy birthday! I wish you guys could come and celebrate with me in Brighton, because I feel like this would be the best right place for us to take long walks on the beach and really enjoy ourselves. But alas, until that happens, I wish that you have another year full of wins, lessons, breakthroughs and wonderful moments, and may you rise, reflect and get everything that you absolutely want to in life. Stay happy and stay blessed.
Hello Tushar, a very, very happy birthday to you. Have a beautiful life, full of all the things that you wish for. That's of course a very, very risky list, but still all that you wish for. And yes, it's been about good 7 years of knowing you, and I have seen you blooming, you can say, right from the very first time that I met you and then onwards, and how slowly and steadily you have matured and taken life head on and dealt with things in the most elegant manner. Yeah, that should be surprising. But still, yes, it is really just wonderful, very comforting. I know you have these quirky habits which used to, I mean, I used to wonder, like, why, how? I've got used to it now, so I am prepared for them always. So anyway, it is very comforting, very comfortable to have you around, and the fact that you are such an integral part of the family. So it really, really is it can be, you can, like Neha always says, yes, it's a very nice feeling for a parent actually to have the kids around. Yes, we don't see it these days, but I think I'm the lucky one here. So have a beautiful birthday, a great life, and may you grow from strength to strength, and just have that lovely quirky smile on your face always. Bye bye.
हाँ, तो सुनने में आया कि तेरे को खुद की ऊपर वीडियो चाहिए जहाँ लोग तेरी तारीफ़ करें, वाह वाह करें, कैसे तू you're the next best thing after bread, तू डायमंड है जो हम सबको मिला है. तो ठीक है, इंटाइटल्ड होने की भी एक हद होती है, पर ठीक है, रिक्वेस्ट है तो पूरी कर देते हैं. Beyond all your gassiness, all your farts, all your poops, all your farts again, all your poops again, all your farts again and again. Yeah, absence of message etiquettes and all the hazar issues that you have in between. I'm glad to have a friend like you, who's some of the kindest, one of the most sensitive and most amicable persons around. You know how to make a person laugh, and I'm sure तभी नेहा टिकी हुई तेरे साथ, otherwise और कोई reason है नहीं वैसे. So thanks for always being there through thick and thin. I think we have been friends for the past 16 odd years now, and it's been a roller coaster ride जिसमें most of the time तो available नहीं होता है, but ठीक है, I let that one slide by for now. Having said that, all the best for the days ahead. Have a great birthday. Please fart less and have a good one. Thank you. Chal, bye.
हेलो. अरे भाई, ये वो तो नहीं है जिसमें तुम सबको बिठा के ऐसे बहुत सारी वीडियो दिखाते हो? चलो, लेट्स सी. और भाई, तुम्हारी बीवी मैसेज पे मैसेज कर करके परेशान हो गई. हर घंटे में ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, रिमाइंडर आए जा रहे हैं, भेज दो. और क्या भाई, क्या नया बताएं हम? उम्र हो गई है भाई तुम्हारी, अब ये सब वीडियो बनवा रहे हो, लोगों से मेहनत करवा रहे हो अपने जन्मदिन पे. अच्छा बोल दो. क्या अच्छा बोल दे भाई, सब तो कर लिया. हंस लिए, गा लिए, रो लिए, मार लिए, लड़ लिए. तो हाँ, सही है, मौज करो भाई. हैं, तुम भी मौज करो, हमें भी मौज कराओ. वाह, enjoy.
And go.
Happy birthday, Tushar.
Happy birthday, Tushar.
We love you.
Yeah, we love you.
Swadika, Khosami, Khanu. I'm sorry for the accent. Happy birthday, Tushar. Genuinely so grateful to have you in our lives. You as well as Neha. And that is the best part, that it doesn't just come with one, it just comes with two very good friends. Friends that I never thought that I would find in my husband, and usually it's not the case either. But so glad. You're so kind, you're so centered, aware, and inspire us in a lot of ways. Happy birthday! Ta!
वीडियो है. हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलना है तुषार को जब तक वो आता है.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई.
बस हैप्पी बर्थडे तुषार.
तो मैं पहले थोड़ा कंटेक्स्ट करके आता ना,
बट हमारी तरफ से यही है. हैप्पी बर्थडे तुषार.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.